Alright guys, we got a quick project for today. We are changing a bathroom faucet. Looks good, it'll be quick. So this is the faucet in question. There's nothing really wrong with it, it's just old and wanted to change it, so change that and change the drain. So from under here, looks fairly simple. You turn off the water, you unhook these, and then make sure your faucets are water's not running. Sometimes these can get bad and still push water out, so you remove these, this drain, and then these plugs. There's new hoses too, so it'll be easy to change, and that's it. Guys, got that out. Just gotta loosen it some more. So I got the drain out, I got the stopper out, and the two the hot and cold connectors, so should be good now. Just loosen up these parts and then pull it out. Literally took me like 2 minutes to do, so ta-da! That cleaned up and put the new one in. So most of these faucet kits come with Teflon. It's a real good idea to put Teflon onto all your connectors around here, and here, just so you know that it won't leak. And then you gotta recheck everything and run it cold water, hot water, just to make sure. Alright, got everything back in. Gotta make sure cold water works, hot water works, both work. So the drain works properly. And double check your connectors down here and you're good. Enjoy a can of beer, or bottle of beer.